I tried to wake him up because he was leaning towards the glass door which was cracked and I was worried that he might get hurt. So I just went there and told him that, buddy, this you might get hurt, and just he moved. He said, okay, sorry, I'll move to the other side. When I heard about the attacks and I realized that the suspect was sleeping in a doorway across the street, I did what any American would do. I called the police. I'm not a hero. The police are the heroes.
Looks like he's still alive. Oh, he's looking at me. I don't want him to see my face.